Oil and Natural Gas Corporation has taken a major step in its digital transformation journey with the inauguration of the Integrated Digital Solution of the Production Operation Control Center, NETRA. Southeastern Coalfields Limited has launched a new high-wall mining machine at the Sharda Open Cast Mine in the Sohagpur area, marking a major step toward increasing coal production and operational efficiency. Prasanna Kumar Motupalli, NLCIL, has been conferred the prestigious Pride of Telangana Award at the 4th Telangana Public Relations Conference and National Public Relations Day celebrations organized by the PRSI Hyderabad chapter at Hyderabad on the 19th of April 2026. In a major step toward digital transformation and customer convenience, Sanjay Swaroop, Chairman and Managing Director of Container Corporation of India Limited, officially launched the online TDS refund portal on April 9, 2026. Hindustan Organic Chemicals Limited has announced the initiation of restart activities for its phenol and cumene plants at the Kochi unit following the resumption of LPG supply by Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. The plants had been under temporary shutdown due to a force majeure event that disrupted LPG supply. Mahanagar Telephone Nigam Limited has submitted its annual secretarial compliance report for the financial year ended March 31, 2026 to BSE Limited and National Stock Exchange of India Limited under SEBI listing regulations. The report confirmed that MTNL complied with most regulatory requirements during the review period. In a landmark development for India's public sector renewable energy transition, Coal India Limited has declared Sterling and Wilson Renewable Energy Limited as the L1 bidder for a 875 megawatt AC grid-connected solar PV project on a turnkey EPC basis. The total contract value, including operation and maintenance and taxes, is approximately 3,490 crore rupees. In a key leadership development in India's logistics and rail freight sector, the Ministry of Railways has approved the appointment of Vivek Gupta as Director Finance at Container Corporation of India Limited. The appointment has been cleared by the competent authority and will take effect immediately upon his assumption of charge. RITES Limited has successfully completed the logistics phase of its 10 locomotive export order to Mozambique, marking another milestone for India's railway export ambitions. The final 2 locomotives have arrived in Maputo, completing the shipment under the international order. SJVN Limited has launched a 5-day induction training program for its newly recruited workman trainees at its corporate headquarters in Shimla. Bhupender Gupta, CMD of SJVN, congratulated the newly inducted trainees and welcomed them to the SJVN family. The 2026 batch includes 71 workman trainees joining across multiple operational and technical roles.